Okay, so I'm gonna do the actual work along with you. I've opened up Dan's example template, which has the 4 questions and a link to the prospect list and the pitch deck example. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go File and make a copy. This is gonna be called my electric car pitch idea. Now that I've made a copy, I can edit it. First off, what's the problem I'm trying to solve? Climate change. Climate change is real and bad. Less petrol cars on the road means less emissions. Now, what right do I have to solve this problem? Now, in this example, I'm actually going to go through a pitched project from a couple of years ago. So I'm going to talk about our team. Our team has built technology companies for 10 plus years. We don't know much about cars though. Bit like Tesla, we don't necessarily need to know a huge amount about the area we're getting into to get into it in this case. How are we going to solve it? Put electric engines in old petrol cars. Simple. What damage might we do? People might die if the cars are poorly put together. We might put mechanics out of work. So those are kind of like the simple, explainable, basic 4 steps. The idea is that if somebody can read that, understand it, and tell their friends, we've got it down to simple enough. We take petrol engines out of cars, we put electric engines in. This means less petrol cars on the road, less emissions, good for dealing with climate change.